Accounting Basics by Satyalakshmi. BRS Bank Reconciliation Statement. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Day 81 class. Today we are going to discuss about our third sum of BRS. Giri Industrial Limited bank balance as per passbook is 8,900. There is disagreement between the cash book and passbook balances as on 31/3/2020. Prepare bank reconciliation statement by considering the following transactions. There is a disagreement between the cash book and bank book balances means there is inequalities in the cash book and bank book balances. Here it is given the passbook balance, it is 8,900. And now we have to make the rough work. Cash book, passbook, which contains debit and credit columns. The passbook balance is given. The passbook balance is always a credit balance, 8,900. So minus plus, minus plus. These symbols will depend on the balance. Right. Checks issued but not presented for payment. We already discussed. The check issued. That means we have given the check. We have to enter it in the credit side. 2,100. And next, check deposited for collection but not yet realized. 900. Here the check is deposited for collection. Then we have to enter it in the cash book. 900 in debit side. Whatever we have collected, we have to enter it in the debit side of the cash book. So we are preparing the BRS. Whom the BRS is preparing? The businessman. The businessman is preparing the BRS, not the banker. The businessman does not has any right to modify the passbook. Right? If we did any transactions, we have to enter in the cash book. If the bank did any transactions, the bank will enter in the passbook. A wrong debit given by the bank in passbook, 500. So we already discussed, we are doing the as it is model. So a wrong debit given by the bank in passbook. The passbook, whatever the passbook is did, we have to enter in the passbook directly without any modifications. 500 in the passbook debit side. Bank charges debited only in passbook. Bank charges is always in the debit side of the passbook. Direct payment of insurance premium as per the standard instructions. We already discussed about this in the theory part. Standard order. A customer given a standard order for the banker to pay the regular payments on behalf of the customer is called the standard order. So the standard instruction is given to the bank to pay the insurance premium, 600. So payments is always in debit side of the passbook, 600. These are the entries. It is clear that we can easily enter it in the statement. Bank balance as per passbook. That is 8,900 in the outer column. Right? And first, add. $900, $500, $210, $600. 900. Checks deposited for collection but not yet realized. Check deposited for collection but not realized. The amount is 900 in the inner column. And next, a wrong debit given by the bank in passbook. A wrong debit given in passbook by bank, 500. And next one, bank charges debited only in passbook. D, bank charges debited only in passbook, 210. And next one, direct payment of insurance premium as per standard order. E, direct payment of insurance as per standing order, 600. So these are the debit side entries. We have to make total 900 plus 500 plus 210 plus 600, and the total is 2210. 8900 plus 2210, 11110. Right? So we have to take the credit side balances. Only one, less check issued but not yet presented for payment, and the amount is 2100. That's it. There is no more transactions in the credit side. Make total 11,110 minus 2,100, and the total is 9,010. So this is the bank balance as per cash book. So this is our third sum of BRS. Hi friends, I hope all of you like my videos. So please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt regarding any topic what we has discussed, please comment it in a comment box. I will give you a clarity. Thank you.